Hey guys, this is Mo, and we acquired this Ditch Witch bow trencher that we've been working on it. So you just need a couple TLC, new blade, maybe 36-inch, couple hoses. They're not leaking, but they need to be changed. We changed the hydraulic filter, couple switches here and there. We're getting a couple gauges to be changed. So we're just bringing her to shape. We changed the fuel pump right there, the housing filter, the diesel filter, the oil filter. We changed the belts also. Put in brand new belts in the front there. Battery, she's good to go. She just needs some fresh paint, I guess. I'm debating between yellow and the original color, which is orange. I'm going to show you here. All the hydraulics works. Everything works on this machine. I also serviced the plow, changed the oil. Has a couple leaks here and there. They fixed. So, I still have one cylinder to be changed. That's correct. One piston, but that's an easy do. I just try and find time for this. There's so much going on outside right now, the parks and everywhere else. But I have a job that this is needed for it. So. Show you. Oh, which key is it? I completely forgot. There's so many keys in here. But I'm assuming these are the keys. Come on, here you go. Hydraulic fans goes on. Sweet. Let's go. She just need a couple TLCs here and there. So that's the one working on it. Trying to bring it to yellow. I also have a blade to put into the front. I don't know if I'm gonna use it or not. I'm not sure. But anyway, this one should be ready to go because we have a good job for her and I know she can do it. Perfect. Alright, we also have the Genie here. Good to go. 45 feet. 4-wheel drive. Perfect for... Hey kitty. Wee wee. What's up? What are you doing, girl? Yeah, I know. You like to sleep in my stuff, right? Good job. Yeah. So, this is a 4x4 Genie. 45 feet. Functional 100%. That we acquired it and we fixed it. And she's ready to go. All she needed right now is a trailer, a gooseneck trailer. We're shopping for that, and once we get that trailer, she will be standing in RV parks that we're working on them. It would be a good help. Fiber trailer, working on it, almost done. Just a couple of TLCs here and there, and the boom truck. I love this truck, man. Easy, top kick, cat diesel power. This thing is a monster. It runs. We bought tools that we use, and it's not included on the letter trenchers here and there. Easy trencher, cable layouts, all those little toys that they're needed, for small jobs. But this is how we do it, guys. So we are really invested in this and we are really pursuing it. So see you in the next one.